Hello, today we're going to be going over the HDMI Out on the VLine. Currently it only works for 480i resolution. Here is the screen that we use right now. Normally they're used for like Raspberry Pis or other small projects like that. We've got a barrel connector here with just 12 volts on it. That's what the screen uses. Then we've got our HDMI here as well. So we're just going to go ahead and connect the HDMI to the HDMI Out on the VLine. As you can see here, oh, well, we're upside down. But as you can see, it'll display on here. We don't have the touch set up on this screen, but you can simply hook up a mouse, a USB mouse to the VLine, and you'll be able to test or do whatever you need to do on a separate screen. In a vehicle, this could work as well, just going to like a rear head monitor rest or anything like that, doing like a overhead unit. But it is going to only mirror at this time. We don't have a separate screen set up at this time, so it'll only mirror what's on the main screen. Thank you.